Welcome back. Today we are unboxing Thomson semi-automatic washing machine. 7 kgs capacity. Net weight 17.5 kgs. Power 340 watt. Voltage 330 voltage to 50 hertz. Year of manufacture November 2022. Customer care number or any queries we can contact. You can wash up to 7 kgs of cloth at a single time. Wash water inlet, wash timer up to 15 minutes, wash selector, draining of water, gentle wash, air dryer after washing the cloth for drying the clothes, spin timer comes up to 5 minutes. We can see the wash chamber. Air dryer after washing the clothes. Air drying chamber, user manual and water inlet pipe. On the back side we can see the plug, power plug, and a water outlet. We can drain the water by this pipe after the washing the cloth. It comes with 2 years of comprehensive and 5 years on motor warranty. Thank you for watching. Like, share and subscribe.